Jay, tell my child you and your mom tell my child tonight. I heard that. So really, Jay, y'all got Christmas. I can use my card. I ain't using my card, Jay. We'll be going over Erica every day. Gotta take my card tonight. Nobody's trouble.
Grandma got you out here cold.
Ain't got you out here.
Hey.
On me. Any of you.
You know what? Look, that shit. You better not be doing her like that, Ma. Who did? Who did? Doc, you want to try? Doc, got a cup. Wait. I'll put that in the cup when they get to the house. Give my cup. This, I seen that. Oh, it's yeah. But you know what? I appreciate you taking me home though, man.
Yeah, I'm gone.
That's that real. That's that real.
Come on. Yeah, get out the way. It's cold out here. Yeah, boo. I love you too. You ain't freezing. I know it's running. Come on. I ain't playing with you. You gonna cry?
Oh, gee, I need a little certificate in here. Give me another little shot. Let me get a little shot. Let me get a little.
Yeah. Yeah. I ain't playing with her. You know it.
I ain't even going there. It's Child's birthday. One Child's birthday. You remember what you forgot what you said? We gonna make it. We gonna do it for your birthday. You want all weekend? That'll always be like alright, okay.
I know.
We close to the you better go ahead. You better keep right. Tishan, you better go to your mom.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Excuse me, I don't mean to put no, you good. But happy birthday, Mr.
We love you. Happy birthday.
We gonna do it this weekend too.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in heaven now. Hey. Look. Talking about right there. All right, baby. Mom calling tomorrow. He gonna be mad at this too. We had a absolutely. He was on the way over here. You better get out. On the way out. Come on. Come on.
Okay, why you out here with nothing now?
Well, I got some on. You had to turn around and look at that. I got a sweat thing. I know that's your aunt, but this is my mama. Give me some. But mind it. Happy birthday. I've been getting that sugar for 25 years. I've been getting it for a decade, 10 years. That sugar for 25 years. Oh, shit, what? Yeah, I'm
I ain't got no damn thing.
8 years.
Y'all have.
Yeah, 8 years. All right.
That's why you strangers. ain't getting none of that, no matter. Why? Get off G, Joe. No, G, he already jumped. There he is.
Where's my people, though?
When he said, when he went to the ABC stuff, you had money to go do for yourself, so.
He always buy me drinks. One thing about this one, he always look out. iPods.
Yeah, Reggie, I got problems.
iPods, anything I need. This is right here, you got it.
I gave him a whole bar, I gave him a whole cup.
Yeah, I'll see you later, man.